Lisa, that court hearing is still underway as we speak, but it's expected to continue on Thursday. Once it's all over, the judge indicated he would make a ruling immediately, knowing that new abortion law is scheduled to go into effect at the end of this week.
The U.S. Supreme Court ruled just last week that there is no right to an abortion under the U.S. Constitution. But is there a right to an abortion under the Florida Constitution? Tallahassee Judge John Cooper must decide whether a new state law violates a section of the Florida Constitution that says everyone has a right to privacy, free from government intrusion.
I'm not here to litigate abortion. I'm here to litigate the right of privacy in Florida. I'm not here to litigate Roe versus Wade.
As of today, abortions are legal up until 24 weeks of pregnancy in Florida. Starting Friday, abortions will be banned after 15 weeks, with no exceptions for rape or incest. There would be an exception if the mother's life is in danger. Planned Parenthood and other abortion providers are suing to stop the new law from taking effect.
We know that women who are seeking abortions and need abortions after 15 weeks are already in compelling and difficult circumstances. And so these are not women that can just get abortions sooner because the law has changed.
Attorneys representing the state of Florida say abortion providers do not have legal standing, meaning they are not the proper parties to file this lawsuit, and will not be irreparably harmed if the new law goes into effect. And the state claims it has the legal authority to protect the health and safety of its people.
Now, regardless of what the judge rules on this case, you can expect that the losing side will appeal. Meanwhile, another group is also suing to stop that new abortion law. They claim it violates religious freedom. Lisa and Ginger?
Mike DeForest, thank you.